performance and interface. There's plenty of power under the hood of the Nokia 8 Sirocco, although it's not the most cutting edge. Running the show is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 835, a chip which featured in 2017's flagship phones, so it feels a little out of place in a 2018 top-tier device. That said, it's still a top performer, and coupled with 6GB of RAM, the Nokia 8 Sirocco should be capable of running pretty much anything you throw at it. The Nokia 8 Sirocco runs the stock version of Android 8 Oreo. The Android 8 Oreo operating system ran smoothly during our time with the phone and we didn't experience any performance blemishes, although that could change once it's filled with apps, games, videos, photos and music. Android fans will be pleased to learn that the Sirocco runs a stock version of Google's operating system, so there's no clunky interface getting in the way. It's also enrolled in Google's Android One program, which guarantees the phone the next 2 big Android dessert updates, and 3 years of security updates. That's great news for users, as it basically guarantees at least 3 years of consistent use from the phone. And because the phone is with Android One, it should be among the first to get the latest updates too.